On January 29, 2025, a tragic mid-air collision occurred over the Potomac River near Washington, D.C., involving an American Eagle Flight 5342, a Bombardier CRJ-700 series airliner, and a U.S. Army Sikorsky UH-60L Black Hawk helicopter. The accident resulted in the deaths of all 67 individuals on board both aircraft. The accident occurred in Washington, D.C., the heart of the United States, a city bustling with commercial flights, military operations, and some of the most restricted airspace in the world. Just a few miles south of the White House lies the Potomac River, a natural boundary for Reagan National Airport's airspace. Let's listen to the ATC communications between the tower and the Black Hawk helicopter.
33 for Blue 6342.
Blue 6342, that's Wilson Bridge, change to turf, runway 33, runway 33, clear for land.
Change to runway 33, runway 33 for land, Blue 6342.
As you can hear, the Reagan Tower gave landing clearance to the CRJ call sign Blue Strake 5342.
Yeah, 79, contact Stone Parks, good day.
Okay.
American 3130, for the final.
Well, American 3130.
Pass 25, traffic just south of Wilson Bridge to CRJ at 1,200 feet, start runway 33.
Also, the tower advised the Black Hawk helicopter call sign Pat 25 about the position, altitude, and intentions of the CRJ aircraft. The helicopter pilot confirms it has visual contact and requests visual separation, which is granted.
Pass 25, get the CRJ in flight. Pass 25, pass behind the CRJ. Good separate.
American 4782 by Baton now for a visual.
American 472, Washington, 1 star, 32017.
Alright, this is wind.
Tower, did you see that? American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33.
Second heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left in 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000.
At that point, the ATC will deny all clearance to land at Reagan Airport and deviate all flights to their alternate destinations. Let's analyze the actors in this accident. First, we have the CRJ-700, operated by PSA Airlines under the American Eagle brand. The CRJ-700 is a regional jet manufactured by Bombardier, now part of Airbus Canada. It typically seats 66 to 78 passengers and is known for its efficiency on short to medium-haul flights. Powered by the reliable General Electric CF-34 engines, the CRJ-700 cruises at speeds of up to 830 kilometers per hour, with a range of around 2,500 kilometers. It's a workhorse for regional airlines, offering a smooth, cost-effective ride on routes across North America and beyond. Departed from Wichita Dwight D. Eisenhower National Airport, ICT, to Washington Reagan National Airport, DCA, carried 60 passengers and 4 crew members. The CRJ was on approach to runway 33 at DCA under Instrument Flight Rules, IFR, following ATC clearance. On the other hand, the helicopter involved was a Sikorsky UH-60L Black Hawk, a versatile twin-engine helicopter widely used by the U.S. Army. Operated by the 12th Aviation Battalion, this helicopter had just departed from Davison Army Airfield at Fort Belvoir, Virginia, for a routine training mission. The UH-60L Black Hawk is known for its exceptional performance in a variety of military roles, from troop transport to medical evacuation. It's powered by General Electric engines, which allow it to achieve a maximum speed of about 293 kilometers per hour, or 183 miles per hour. Designed for aerial assaults, combat support, and logistics, the Black Hawk has maximum gross weight of 22,000 pounds. It has the capacity to carry up to 11 fully equipped soldiers or a significant amount of cargo, and it's equipped with altitude reporting transponder. So, what is the conclusion? As you can see, the helicopter is flying his designated Route 1 that has an upper limit of 200 feet. That means the helicopter cannot climb over 200 feet in that airspace. But as we can see in its transponder, is flying at 300 feet, 100 feet above its limit. And it's also to the west of its designated route, positioning himself in the approach path for aircrafts landing in runway 33 at Reagan Airport. This is a surprising and huge mistake made by the helicopter pilot that ended up positioning himself on the path of the unsuspected CRJ and killing everyone on board of both aircrafts. So, what do you think? Is the helicopter pilot to blame? What about ATC controller? Or perhaps the saturated airspace? Please let me know in the comments. Until next time, safe flying!